Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Board and Busters, and welcome to Drawing for Beginners, Episode 4. Today we are going to be working on perspective. Now you may be thinking, well, what is perspective? Perspective in art isn't the perspective like when you say, oh, I look at this a different perspective. This is how you look at something, look at something from your view. So today we're just going to be using our pencil and some colored pencils too. Now I'm looking at a picture right now on how to draw this nice little, I don't know how to explain it, but like lake or river and mountains and yeah. So we're going to be drawing it from a first point perspective. And this is pretty easy, so just follow along. So first what we're going to start off is the lake. And you could draw this any size. And you just want to draw lines like this. Don't make them squiggly. If you want, you can, but just draw a lake. You could be creative. You can make your own, kind of like this. And then make it wider. Sorry, I'm trying to bring this down and stuff like that. Just a little bit. Just like this. So you want to start really big from the start and then go pretty small. Like you want to make it so it goes to a point. Like this, you want to start big. I'd probably actually start bigger. Like this, there you go. Just like this. And then you want to end with a tip just right here. All right, there we go. You have your lake, just like that. You may be thinking, oh, well, why does it have a tip? And I'll show you in just a sec. It's kind of, in some sort of way, hard to explain, but yeah. All right, next what we're going to draw, sorry, I'm trying to figure out this right here. Yeah, just like this. Next, we're going to draw a straight line across at the tip. Just like that. Now what you want to do is you want to draw mountains at the end. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my tip. There you go. Now you want to draw like mountains just like this. Now this is a landscape drawing, but it's not as hard as the one I drew from the 50 sub special. And by the way, we've been gaining quite a few subscribers in the past just like week or two. And you just want to draw mountains like this. Just on this side, pretty simple. And then right here, stop, don't connect it. And what you want to do is just draw another mountain right there. Then draw another mountain up and down like this. Don't bring it down to all the way to the bottom, just stop right there. And then up and down. There you go. Now you can kind of see the lake going up to the mountains. All right. Now what we're going to draw are the trees. So why I said to stop, actually want to erase a line right here, is you want to draw a big tree. Like, it's kind of hard to explain, but you want to go like this. You just want to draw your basic tree stump. Now this is really simple. So what I'm going to do, so I think it's kind of, again, it's like hard to explain when it goes to it. It's like the mountains are far away, so it looks smaller, but the tree's closer up and it's bigger. So you want to go like this. And just like that. You can kind of make that a tree if you want. We're not really focusing too much on detail today. But now what you want to do is you want to make a shadow. Don't worry about if you like mess up the rectangle. So you want to make a line kind of like this and a line like this. And we'll just fill that in. And we'll be coloring this after. After this, I'm going to speed up the coloring and show you my end results because I think it'd take a little too long for the coloring. All right. Now what you want to do is make a smaller tree because it looks like it's far away. So I think we'll just erase a line right here and just connect from the top down to here. Just like this. There we go. There we go. There's a pretty small tree, I guess you could say. All right. Now what you want to do is draw a shadow, little mini shadow right here. Now this looks small, but actually it's pretty just far away. That's why it looks small. There you go. Looks a little bit better. Now we're just going to draw one more tree right here that's super close up. Maybe I made this a little too tall. Just like this. And there you go, guys. That's pretty much your perspective point of view. Kind of looks like a lake to me. Oh, wait. I forgot something. Make sure to draw clouds, too. Might want to draw some nice little clouds. Just like this. And there you go. I'm just going to finish off the clouds. And yeah, guys, that's perspective for you guys. And you guys can color it however you want. I'm going to be using the same colored pencils that I did in the last video. Link is in the description below if you want more information on the coloring. So yes, guys, just going to finish this cloud. And then I'll time-lapse and show you my end results. All right. See you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I'm sorry I could not time-lapse. Someone called the phone. You guys could copy this right now and pause the video. Alright guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. And my goal is to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year. And we're 50, and we're pretty close actually. So yes guys, the link for the other video is in the description below if you want to learn more about colored pencils. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.